Hi, I'm Marna. This is a Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a package from Aliexpress, and I'm going to say it again and again and again, always open on camera. I've had trouble. They don't want to return any kind of money or replace or anything anymore from Aliexpress, which is fine. I just call it a gamble now when I always did, when I order. But if you open on camera, you have proof that your item came out of the bag with the problem, whatever that problem may be, and you're more likely to get someone to listen. Oh, these are cute. These are really cute. I bought these before, and I went back and I got another pair. These are just little cutoffs. That's the back. Oh, no, that's the front side. You can see it's got that gold could have been a brighter color because it's got the outline of a pattern and zipper. But in fact, in the back, it has Velcro. I like these for my Blythe dolls in the summer. Katie is our dog. Daisy, my little Blythe that I take bicycle riding with me, looks really cute sitting on my bike in those. Let's see what else I might have gotten. Also, I got another pair in a darker color, and the stitching is darker on that. Can you see it in the bag? I'll just leave it in the bag. I have another package here. Actually, there's, 5 packages this morning. Then I have something else I got at a garage sale I thought was weird and wanted to show you. Oh, this is for Darren. Oh, I'm really glad this is here. Wish it had been here Sunday when we went to the train club meeting, but wait till you see this. Well, I don't want to tear that up. Choo-choo. Got him a t-shirt with a train on it. Is that big enough for you? I don't know. It'll fit, but are the shoulders big enough? My husband has very broad shoulders, and I love them, and I love to show them off. But I do. I like that a lot. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
And that's that anti-sweat fabric I like. Oh, my scissors have to go. I have worn them out. I just need to get new house scissors. I've been real good about grabbing them instead of my good scissors, which I only use for fabrics. Okay, I used it on yarn the other day, but that's all right. It was very thick and I needed to. I buy these on Aliexpress for my doll's ears. Look at the little elks. Isn't that cute? Or we could call those reindeer. Has all sorts of things in there. I really like these. That looks like double horseshoes. Not really. But cute enough. Needed some. Just a little bit of earrings. I found this at a garage sale, and I thought they were earrings. I don't know if you can see. It's got some pretty good bling to it. It's a very cloudy day here. But they're snaps, like sew-on snaps. So I took it out in the sun, and I was looking at it to see, okay, how do I sew this side? And the lady said, oh, those are for hair. What? For hair? How weird. So what I'm going to do is sew the back side like usual, use white thread and go between those two stones to sew those down on a doll outfit for the snap, and put the, like for outfits where they close in the front, a little extra bling. This I'm excited about. J Dolls UK and I have a collab and challenge coming up, and we will tell you more about it later. I think I just opened it upside down, but that's all right. I'm just excited that my doll arrived, if it's that one. Should be, though. I don't have a lot, believe it or not, out there. You won't believe what happened. I had all these dolls in my cart, and there was a big sale. I mean, like a good sale where I got them down to like $16. I let the sale run out, and I didn't get them ordered. Darren's like, just buy them. I'm like, no, oh no, I'll wait. Here's her little hands. If you've never bought a Middie Blythe before, they are different than a Neo. I'll show you that in a minute, but they do come with 2 extra sets of hands that I do not recommend that you change to. And if you do change to, leave them. It's a very, very tiny, tight fit that you can wear out the joints on ever so quickly, and then your doll's not going to have hands, or you'll have to super glue the hands. If I change them, I usually do it because I'm changing the doll's clothes a lot, and then I go with one of these hands like a peace sign or the rock and roll, I guess, or I love you or whatever. That's debatable. But either way, where it's less fingers to stick in fabrics. I love Middie Blythes. They are tiny little dolls. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off to show you. They are tiny little dolls. Look at the size of my hand. Look at the size next to a pair of household scissors. These are just average household scissors. These are 1/8 scale. They are extremely articulated, and I love that. Their hands, their feet, their knees, their hips. They even have a joint here that turns, and their little hands, and I think their upper arms, well, their elbows turn round and round. You can do a lot. And on the Middie head, they have a ball joint above at their neck, and that head moves all around. Now, they do not have a pull string. They have a dial, and the eyes move back and forth. I love these dolls. I'll be dressing her. Like I said, we'll tell you more about that collab coming up. Thank you for watching. Always open your packages, any package, eBay, Etsy, anything like that, open on film. Even if you're not uploading it, just open on film so that you have the proof that if there is a problem, it arrived that way. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.